Hello and welcome to S4HANA Embedded Analytics Masterclass, powered by Learn Anywhere. Before we move ahead, let's have a brief introduction about author. So I am SAP BW, HANA and ABAP certified consultant. I have more than 14 years of experience in SAP space and especially in analytics space. We have hugely successful Udemy channel with more than 15,000 students, and we have courses like SAP BW for HANA, SAP Activate, SAP BODS, Power BI, and all are highly rated. Now let's see what you will learn in this course. In this course, we will learn about S4HANA Embedded Analytics Architecture. We'll create core data services views from scratch, and with all the options which we have, parameters, nesting, association, projection, all the options, we will check how it works, and we'll see power of annotations and how you can use it. We'll also see how to create virtual data model and how to consume them in Fiori or Analysis for Office. And we'll also deploy our CDS views in Fiori environment. And we have various options available in Embedded Analytics like consuming CDS view in BW for HANA, creating KPI tiles, custom reports, ALP, APF, all these things you will learn in this course and all are listed on this screen. And keep in mind, everything will be completely hands-on. So you will learn everything in the system. We will be creating everything from scratch in the system. So it will be completely hands-on. For any queries, you can drop us a mail at learn.anywhere1@gmail.com. We would be happy to help you. Now, who should take this course? This course is basically targeted towards SAP dev guys. If you are a SAP developer, then this course is must for you if you are trying to learn about SAP Embedded Analytics. Also, if you are a solution architect or tech architect who wants to know how SAP Embedded can help you in your project, then you can also take this course. Are there any prerequisites to this course? Yes, you should have basic understanding of SAP Technical. What does that mean? It means you should have basic understanding of SAP tables. Just a general info is enough, but you should have that. As far as SQL goes, if you know basics of select query and join, this is more than enough for this course. And if you want to practice with us, then you should have S4HANA server access with you because we don't deal in servers. And small request, before you take this course, please check course description in detail, what is covered and what is not covered. Check all the freely available preview videos so you understand how author is teaching you and whether you like his style or not. This is all from my side. I will see you inside the course. Thank you.